Sleeping less than 8 hours is destroying your physical and mental health. Here's how to fix it. Insufficient sleep. Number 1 leads to weight gain. Number 2 reduces brain functioning. Number 3 decrease muscle recovery. Number 4 causes mental health issues. Number 5 increases chances of diseases. Luckily, here's the simple fix. The 10-10-4-3-2-1 method. Let's break it down. 10 minutes of sunlight. Every morning view sunlight for 10 plus minutes. Viewing a lower solar angle sets your circadian rhythm, making it easier to fall asleep at night. Make it 10 minutes morning walk with sunlight and atomic habit. 10 hours without caffeine. Your 3 p.m. cappuccino and pre-workout are disrupting the quality and depth of your sleep at night. Caffeine's half-life is 6 hours, so an afternoon coffee is still in your system at 11 p.m. Aim to cut off caffeine at least 10 hours before bed. 4 hours without exercise. Intense exercise too close to bed keeps cortisol levels high, making it harder to fall asleep. Aim to exercise in the morning if you can, or at least schedule your workouts so they are not within 4 hours of bedtime. 3 hours without food. When you digest food, your body's internal thermostat heats up, but your body temperature needs to drop to fall asleep. Cut off food 3 hours before bed to improve the quality of your sleep and hormone health. 2 hours without work. Your mind needs time to rest and wind down before sleep. Be done with your work at least 2 hours before bed and find a nighttime routine that allows you to wind down and relax. 1 hour without blue light. Blue light from your devices signals your brain it's time to be alert and awake, but this disrupts your ability to fall asleep. Cut off screens at least an hour before bed, or at least invest in blue light glasses. If you follow this protocol and aim for 8-10 hours a night, I promise your brain and body will be better than ever. I hope you have liked this video. Do not forget to subscribe for more such informative videos. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.